Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the differences of optical storage devices. First point we are going to talk about is the cost. The DVD is more expensive than the CD, while the Blu-ray is more expensive than the CD and DVD. The second one is the capacity. The CD can store 640 megabyte and the DVD can store 4.7 GB for single layer and 8.5 GB for double layer, while the Blu-ray can store 25 GB for single layer and 50 GB for double layer. So we can see that the Blu-ray can store more capacity than the CD and DVD. The third point is access speed. The speed of the CD is up to 7.6 megabit per second, the DVD is up to 16 megabit per second, and the Blu-ray is 50 megabit per second. We will continue to the portability. The three optical storage devices are easy to carry in a large pocket or bag. Now we will talk about the durability for the CD and DVD. It depends on how it's stored. Quality will degrade over time, but the manufacturer's life expectancy is 10 to 25 years. While the Blu-ray also depends on how it's stored, quality also will degrade over time, but the manufacturer's life expectancy is 20 to 100 years. While the reliability for the three optical storage devices good for medium term but degrades over time. The last point is typical use. CD-ROM for software distribution, CD recordable or CD rewritable for backup. The difference between CD recordable and CD rewritable is that CD recordable data can be read only and cannot be rewritable, while the CD rewritable data can be rewritten once the existing data is erased. While DVD is used as a backup device, but also for distribution of software games and the storage of movies. The last one is Blu-ray is used for storing of movies and games, but also as a backup device. Very large capacity means it's replacing DVDs.
Hello, in this video, we are going to learn about external memory or storage devices. Computer memory is the storage area of the computer. It is any kind of hardware which stores data and instructions for the computer. They are classified into two types, primary or internal memory and secondary or external memory. While the primary memory is accessed directly by CPU, secondary memory is backup memory used for long-term storage of data. Its key characteristics are it is slower than the primary memory, data stored is permanent, so it is used for storage and backup. It helps in transferring data from one computer to another. There are many different types of storage devices such as floppy drives, CD drives, tapes, etc. The earliest computer storage device was actually punch card made of paper. Now we have storage devices which are either magnetic, optical or flash memory devices. Let's look at each one of them. Magnetic storage devices include hard disk and floppy disk. Hard disks are typically installed inside the computer, though portable hard disks are also available. Inside a hard disk, there is a spindle which holds one or more rotating disks called platters. These disks are coated with magnetic material. These disks have a magnetic head which is used to read or write data on the disk. Floppy disks were used to transfer data between computers. The computers have floppy drives into which the floppy was inserted. They used to come in 5/1/4 inch or 3.5 inch size. As their data capacity was very less, pen drives have now become more popular. Next are optical storage devices, which includes CDs, DVDs and Blu-ray discs. It uses laser and light to store data. CD stands for compact disc. They are portable and can store up to 700 MB of data. They come in three types. First is CD-ROM or CD read-only memory, from where you can only read data. Then they are CDR or CD recordable, where data can be written only once and then can be read multiple times. In CD-RW or CD rewritable, the data can be written multiple times, so it is also known as erasable CD. Next we will cover DVDs. DVDs stand for Digital Versatile Disc and they have storage capacity almost 10 times that of CD and are 20 times faster than CD. They come in three types. First type is DVD-R or DVD recordable, where data can be written only once and then can be read multiple times. In DVD read-write or DVD rewritable, the data can be written multiple times. Next is Blu-ray. The name comes from blue laser, which reads from and writes to the disc rather than the red laser of DVD. This allows it to store more and it can hold 25 GB of data per layer. There are dual layer, triple layer discs which hold even more data. Now we will cover flash storage device. They include USB flash drives, memory cards or SD cards, etc. They have now become very popular as it is more cheaper, efficient and reliable solution. USB flash drive or pen drive is a portable memory storage device which is the size of a human thumb and connect to computer via a USB port. It can store data up to 1 TB. It is compact, fast and convenient, so it is typically used to store and transfer files. Memory card is used to store photos, videos in cameras, smartphones and gaming consoles. They can store images up to 128 GB. SD or secure digital card comes in micro SD or mini SD size as well. Nowadays, storing data online and in cloud is becoming popular as people need to access their data from more than one device. However, it is nothing but storing on a network of remote servers which are either magnetic or optical.